Hey, you human. Welcome to another edition of the Battle Plan Podcast, where the aim is to help you endure through challenges while inspiring you to live up to your fullest potential. My hope is that you're able to get a few nuggets from this podcast to help you live your life to the fullest. Now sit back, relax, focus, and enjoy the podcast. Hey, you human. Coach Nate here with today's Battle Plan. So you find yourself facing your worst fear. There it is, standing right in front of you, overwhelming, paralyzing, perhaps feeling like it's chasing you or taunting you. You've all been there. Some of you are there right now. Understanding that fear is an emotion. Courage, while courage is looked upon as a character trait, in the heart, its source, it's an emotion. We've heard the saying, fight fire with fire. It was Ruth Gordon who said, courage is like a muscle. It is strengthened by use. Each time you face your fears, fighting emotion with emotion, courage being defined as facing a difficulty, a danger, a pain, bravery. Some say it's without fear, others say it's in the face of fear. Regardless, courage is, I'm going to step forward into this thing that feels like it's against me, and regardless of the outcome, I'm going to step forward. The worst I will walk away with is strengthened courage. Again, courage used is strength built in your courage. You develop it by use. Fortunately or unfortunately, as is the case in life, you're going to get plenty of opportunities to strengthen your courage. Take them, utilize them, just like going to the gym. The payback is strength and courage without having to pay the gym membership. So when you're facing challenges, when you're facing difficulties, when fear is right in front of you, step into it, not run away from it. Don't cower, but get courage. Find your courage. Build your courage. What that will do for you is the next difficulty, the next challenge, the next fear. You're all the more, the stronger, the better, the skilled to face and conquer that. Life gives you opportunities. Take them. They come in all different shapes and sizes. Strengthen your courage by facing your challenges and difficulties. Until next time, Coach Nate here. Live your best life on purpose now. Well, that's it for today's podcast. I hope that you were able to find some nuggets of wisdom, some inspiration, and something to help you in your life's journey as you progress towards living your best life. Know that I'm just an ordinary human trying to use my remarkable life to make an extraordinary impact on the lives of others. If you enjoyed what you heard today or were helped in some way, please send me a message. Send me an email, drop me a line. I'd love to hear from you. I love hearing how this content is helping individuals in their daily lives. If you have a specific topic you want me to address, include that too. You never know, you may find it in an upcoming podcast. For more information, content, videos, and information on my book, and links to all my social media, please visit natebattle.com. Remember, today is the youngest you'll ever be. So go out and make the most of it. As always, thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Live your best life on purpose now.